Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake. Welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to write addition of 5 numbers using C programming language. Before we continue, if you like this video, please click the like button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Click, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. We have here a program that I wrote that will ask the user to give 5 numbers, and then our program will compute the sum of the 5 numbers given by our user. I'm using div C++ as my IDE where I'm writing my program. It can be downloaded in their website for free. So here, from line number 1 up to line number 7, there is a comment. In line number 9, sharp includes stdio.h. Stdio means standard input output header file. It is a library file in every C program which allows us to use standard command just like printf for printing formatting and scanf for scanning and formatting for input and output. In line number 11, int main is a function where it will start and then the end of program execution. Every C program must have a function. Line number 12 will be a left curly bracket, and then line number 14 up to 15, we have here a series of variables. We have variable A, B, C, D, and E, and sum. All these variables is being declared as integer. As we all know, a data type that is integer contains positive, negative, including 0. As you can observe guys, all these variables, these 6 variables are initialized with value 0. And then line number 17, system color 0, it is a built-in command. Actually, it is not a built-in command of a C language rather than in div C++, for background color. And then line number 18, printf to \n or new line. We are asking the user to give we are putting formatting new line, skip sequence. Line number 19 will be the title of our program, \t or horizontal tab, addition of 5 numbers in C. Line number 20 will be to new line, and then here from line 21 up to 30, we are asking our user to give first, second, third, and fourth value, and then fifth value. It will store in our variable A, followed by B, C, D, and E. So this line of code from 21 up to 30 is for your input. Now, in line 32 will be sum of equals, open parentheses, A plus B plus C plus D plus E for addition. Your sum variable will act as an assignment statement, and then after the sum of these 5 values here will be stored in our variable sum. In line number 34 and 35 and 36, it will display the value on the screen. From line number 37 up to 39, it will display a message on the screen, end of the program, new line, to new line. And then line number 41, right curly bracket, to end the body of our main function. Now, after I finish the discussion here, let's compile and run our program. Okay, as we can see guys, our program is running. Addition of 5 numbers in C. Give first value, let's say we have 5. Let's say second value, let's say we have 2. Wait. Third value, let's say we have 6. Fourth value we have 7, and then the fifth value we have 8. The total sum of 5, 2, 6, and 8. Okay, the total sum of 5, 2, 6, 7, 8, end of program. Okay, there is some mistake. I will fix the problem first. Okay, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 is %D. Okay, let me recompile again the program. Okay, so give first value, let's say 1, second value 2, third value 3, fourth value 4, fifth value is 5. Okay, so we have here already the right result. Sorry for the mistake. So the total sum of 1 2 3 4 and 5 is 15. Okay, so that's it, it's working properly. So let us compile again and run. First value, let's say 2, second value, let's say 4, third value, let's say 6, fourth value, let's say 8, fifth value, let's say 10. So the total sum of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 is 30. End of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create addition of 5 numbers in C programming language. I hope you like this, guys, and then thank you very much for watching. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend Jake. Says see you in the next video tutorial, guys. Bye bye for now.